It's a matter of doing something about it. And when it comes to obesity, by the end of this year, 3/4 of Americans will be clinically overweight or obese. I know, it's an epidemic. There's obviously many factors associated with obesity, so this is not simplistic. And a lot of people say, well, I'm just getting older, so I gain weight. So let's look at that. Is it common to gain weight with aging? Yes, it is. About 30 pounds between the ages of 25 and 55. But let's look at what that means. 30 pounds in 30 years, there's 3,500 calories in a pound, roughly. 3,500 extra calories per year to gain that pound. That's 10 calories a day or less, which is 2 M&Ms, 1 Lifesaver, or a half a Hershey's Kiss. So this business that it doesn't matter what I do, I can't lose weight. Yes, it does. It's about every single thing that goes in your mouth, right? And your activity level. And teaching patients, if you eat 2 extra M&Ms a day, you will gain a pound a year. So being really accountable. These are just some fun slides. Not really fun, they're depressing as hell, but I thought they were fun to put together. So these are from the CDC. And this is a map of obesity in the United States starting in 1985. And you'll notice the kind of the darker blue, 10 to 14% of adults in that state are obese, so BMI over 30. So watch what happens. This is 1986, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. Now we have a new variable. The states that are dark blue, 15 to 19% of adults are obese in those states. And the medium blue, it's still 10 to 14%. So this is 1991, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. We have a new variable in 1997. More than 20% of the tan-colored states population in adults are obese, 15 to 19% in the dark blue. Watch what happens here. So this is 1997, 98, 99, 2000, 2001. We have a new variable, 25% in the orange states. So the tan and the orange. 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. Aha! We have another variable. In the red states, more than 30% of the population is actually obese. 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. And this was in 2010. So this is the last, they just updated this, so I have the new data. So in 2010, the red states, more than 30% of that population is obese. 25 to 29% in the orange states. The tan states are 20 to 24%. Notice that no state has less than 20% of its adult population as clinically obese. And then they changed the colors at the CDC. I don't know why they did that. So now the red states are more than 35, orange 30 to 35, and the yellow is 25 to 30. So here's where we are now.